Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to view the e-way bill report and e-way bill register in TallyPrime. With the e-way bill report and register, you can get an overview of the transactions for which e-way bill activities are either completed or pending and then take action accordingly. Let's first view the e-way bill report. Press Alt-G, type or select e-way bill and press enter. The e-way bill report opens. If the sections in the report do not show all the transactions recorded for e-way bill, then change the period. Press Alt F2, enter the from and to dates and press enter. As you can see, more sections appeared after the period change. Now, let's view each section. The Pending for Exchange with e-way bill system section enlists the transaction for which e-way bill is yet to be generated or cancelled. The first section under Pending for Exchange with e-way bill system is for e-way bill generation that contains the transactions for which e-way bill generation is pending. If the e-invoice is enabled in the company and there are transactions pending for IRN generation, the section would be Pending for Exchange with e-invoice e-way bill system. Under the section, there will be a section called For IRN Generation containing transactions for which e-invoice is yet to be generated. After successful IRN generation, those transactions will not be in this section. Under For e-way bill generation, you can also perform a range of actions using the right button bar. If you have generated e-way bill on the e-way bill system or any medium other than TallyPrime, but the transaction is still under Pending for Exchange with e-way bill system in TallyPrime, then you can select it and click Get e-way bill info or press F6. TallyPrime will exchange information with the e-way bill system provided you are logged in with your e-way bill credentials. Subsequently, the e-way bill information will get updated in TallyPrime and the transaction will move to the e-way bill generated section. Similarly, you can update Part B if the transporter changes or undo update Part B, update transporter ID, extend e-way bill and cancel e-way bill whenever required. If you do not want to generate e-way bill for a transaction, then you can use Exclude from e-way bill. You may need this facility when the party cancels the order or the transaction is not eligible for e-way bill, but the threshold value was mistakenly overridden during voucher creation. Click Exclude from e-way bill and press Y. It will then move to User Excluded Transactions in the e-way bill report. Similarly, you can drill down on the section for Part B updation that contains the transactions for which Part B needs to be updated. Now, press Escape and drill down on the For e-way bill extension section. You can click Extend e-way bill or press F9. Press Escape to get back to the report and drill down on For e-way bill cancellation. Here, you can click Cancel e-way bill or simply press F10. Press Escape and drill down on the Exported section that contains the transactions for which JSON files are generated either for e-invoicing or e-way bill. The section for e-way bill generation under Exported contains transactions for which JSON file was generated. If you have uploaded the JSON file on the e-way bill system, then you can click Get e-way bill info or press F6 to update the transactions with the latest e-way bill information. Now press Escape and look at the sections under e-way bill generated containing the transactions for which e-way bill generation was successful. Drill down on with Part B and take necessary actions using the options on the right button bar, similarly to the other sections we discussed. Similarly, drill down on without Part B and then use Update Part B for Part B updation if needed. Press Escape to get back to the report. The transactions for which either e-way bill is cancelled or is marked as cancelled will be under the e-way bill cancelled section. You can open the e-way bill cancelled from e-way bill system that contains the transactions you had sent for cancellation and the cancellation was successful. The section marked as e-way bill cancelled contains the transactions for which you had cancelled the e-way bill either on the e-way bill system or any medium other than TallyPrime and then mark them as cancelled in TallyPrime. In both cases, you can press Alt F10 if the transaction has been wrongly marked as cancelled in TallyPrime. The action will undo cancellation and update the report in TallyPrime as the transactions will move to their previous state as applicable. After completing the necessary actions, press Escape to come back to the report. The section User Excluded Transactions contains the transactions that you had excluded for e-way bill generation because of order cancellation or other reasons. The e-way bill report has two more sections, namely Uncertain Transactions and Missing Invalid Information. Drill down on Uncertain Transactions and you will see number of vouchers with incomplete mismatch in information. As you can see, you will find subcategories under this section. Press Escape and drill down on a section under Missing Invalid Information. You can make corrections by drilling down further and save the updates, and the transaction will move to the Pending for Exchange with e-way bill system under For e-way bill generation. Press Escape to get back to the report. Rejected by e-way bill system contains the transactions rejected by the e-way bill system either for generation or cancellation. Drill down on the section to know the reason for rejection. You can drill down further to view the voucher and make corrections to send for e-way bill generation again. And once e-way bill is generated for the transactions, they will start appearing in the e-way bill generated section under with Part B or without Part B as applicable. Now, let's have a look at the e-way bill register. In the e-way bill report, click e-way bill register or press F5. Instead of sections, as in the case of the e-way bill report, e-way bill register displays all the transactions in a particular period and their respective e-way bill status in a column. In the right button bar, the options provided are similar to those in the e-way bill report. Press space bar to select a transaction and click the relevant button for necessary action. For example, you have generated e-way bill for a transaction on the e-way bill system or any medium other than TallyPrime and its status is pending for e-way bill generation, as you can see here. In such a case, click Get e-way bill information. TallyPrime will exchange the information with the e-way bill system and the status will get changed to e-way bill generated without Part B. And if you have also updated the information for Part B in the voucher, then the status will reflect as e-way bill generated with Part B. As you saw, the e-way bill report and e-way bill register provide you with complete information about the transactions eligible for e-way bill. It helps you to take further actions so that the transactions appear in the appropriate sections, and your books get updated. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com.